I've seen people put this on their hair dry, which means you're gonna basically use the whole bottle. Like, what the heck? The directions say damp, towel dried hair. People don't listen. Hi everyone, it's Mariah here, and I haven't talked in a hot minute, but today I'm going to be using Olaplex because yesterday I actually dyed my hair jet black. Well, not jet, but just black for like 10 minutes, and I thought it was gonna like damage my curls like it did last year. So I was like scared to do it this time, but actually my curls are really active right now, so I don't honestly think I need Olaplex, but I did straighten my hair like 2 weeks ago, so maybe, I don't know, this will help. I'm also going to be throwing in a tip on how to make your hair a little bit more curlier when doing the Olaplex. So yeah, let's just get on into that. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, you know, all that good stuff. Hello everyone, I'm going to start with the Olaplex number 3, and I only got the Olaplex number 3 because the other ones are useless. I'm going to use a tiny bit on the tips of my fingers. I'm going to emulsify it, which means rub it between my palms until the product is broken down very well, and then I'm going to apply it to my damp hair. I'm going to use my Tangle Teaser to brush through, and then I'm going to put it into a little coil. Now you can't really tell, but my hair is slightly damaged because I straightened it with product in it by mistake, and it was not product that was meant to be in my hair, so that's why I'm doing this method. And then I put it in a ringlet. As you can tell, this method works freaking wonders on my hair. Like, my curls reverted back just to that pattern. And the way it works is, since you're building your, like, this is a bond treatment, your curls need to know how to get back into that old pattern. So I brush coiled my curls until they were back inside that pattern that I want them to turn to. I left it on for 45 minutes. I put a heat cap on and a shower cap, and then my hair was done. So I hope you guys try this method, especially if your curls are damaged. Okay, make sure your hair is damp. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, wait, your hair has to be damp. Okay y'all, so basically this is the trick. So if your curls are like kind of healthy enough, I know when my hair was damaged it was near impossible to do stuff like this, but when doing Olaplex, think of it like when you're doing like a hair mask, you always like put your hair in 2-strand twists so that your hair could like hold that position and remember that position, you know? So when doing Olaplex, I'm thinking like it's building your bonds. So when it's building your bonds, you don't just want your hair in any old shape, because it's gonna make it harder to put it back in its old place, is what I'm thinking. So since this is my natural curl pattern, putting them all in ringlets to help my hair remember this position, I think is super, super helpful when it comes to doing Olaplex. So that's what you see me doing here, and this is what it looks like. I have the treatment on. If anything, my hair kind of feels warm. Not sure, maybe because I've been massaging it. And this is the back. I know it looks crazy at the roots, but the ends is what matters to me. I want the ends to be like super curly. All right everyone, so I'm back. My hair is like still damp. It feels really warm since I put the heat cap on. I'm gonna rinse this out of my hair, brush my hair, and see how it looks. Okay y'all, I just rinsed the Olaplex out of my hair. I just rinsed it. I didn't shampoo yet, but look how pretty my curls look. Y'all, do you see that? Like, no freaking way. Okay, I'm gonna finish but like, my curls look so good. You even see the curls, like the shine. The curls look so good. The way my curls bounce back right now, they were not like this before this treatment. And the way I did it with the coils, they were not like this. I am so happy right now. Okay everyone, so I like styled my hair. This is my hair, say 50% dry, 50-40% dry. So I'm gonna let the S rest like air dry. I only really diffuse my ends and then my bangs, and then I let the rest like air dry. Okay, so I thought I'd film the outro here. I'm in my bed. Anyways, I loved Olaplex. The new method that I made by putting your hair in ringlets helps the bond like repair your hair back to that exact shape, and it honestly made my hair so curly. Like, I know there's some frizz, that's because I just separated my hair, but like my bangs are back. And honestly, I didn't even use that much. Everyone's always complaining that it's such a small like bottle, but that's because people are using too much product. Like you saw, I only used that little tiny dot. I emulsified it and then put it on the strand. I made sure my hair was damp the whole time. Stuff like that, like that makes all the difference. And I've seen people put this on their hair dry, which means you're gonna basically use the whole bottle. Like, what the heck? The directions say damp, towel dried hair. People don't listen. It did wonders to my hair. Can you see the shine? Do you see the definition? Like, y'all, Olaplex is good. Olaplex is something else, okay? I hope you guys try this new method. I'm claiming this method. I've never seen anyone do it, so I'm claiming this as Mariah Smith's method, okay? Of the freaking ringlets to help the bond repair, put your curls back in the place they used to be. Now, I understand if your hair is damaged, it must be hard to put like your hair back in there, but like even like my frizzy part of my hair, I could put it in that little spiral and it does help a lot. So hopefully this video was helpful for y'all who don't know how to use Olaplex and want to try my new method. But thank you guys for so much for watching this video and like supporting my channel. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Peace out.